There are chambers everywhere.
It turned out I was wrong about it being easy, as just 10 minutes in, I realised I was slightly lost.
So, I know the exit is down there somewhere, but I'm not entirely sure where.
Although the group had given me instructions, there were quite a few errors in the translation which didn't make any sense, and the maps that I'd been given were invalid in certain sections due to recent collapses and blocked off tunnels.
Many ways to go. I don't know which one to choose. No idea what that means. I'm seeing this graffiti on the way down, so that means we must be heading in the right direction. Down here somewhere. Let's keep going. You can't actually go that way, that is insane. I'll be even that missed here though. There's little stalactites, whatever you call them, hanging off the wall. That's quite creepy. Some people actually crawl through there to get towards the part of the catacombs, but wow, just to prove I am alone. There's no one here. The people I was with went further, but I headed back. They gave me directions, but they've not worked too well because he was in pretty bad English because of course they are French, so they are not easy to follow, so I'm just going off what I've remembered from the way down. There's a lot of graffiti in this part of the tunnel, so I'm guessing this is close to the exit. I hope so. That's far up. At least it's an emergency exit if we need it, guys. That there is a massive drain, so... and that is quite deep as well, so I'm going to try and avoid that. We've now been in the catacombs for 2 hours. I've been lost for at least an hour now. So guys, I think I've just accepted that we are lost here, so I'm trying my best to follow the instructions they've given me, but there's thousands of miles of tunnels in here. I recognised where we are a few minutes ago, so if I wasn't lost I'd say we're only about 5 minutes away from the exit, but I'm lost, so it could be another few hours away.
Hehehe